Hi, I'm Paul from PDHSports, leading online racket specialist, and today I'm taking a look at the brand new bag from Karakal. This is a 2018-19 range. This is the Pro Tour Elite X. So this bag is very similar in terms of spec as the Pro Tour Elite. So it comes with two large side racket compartments. You've got the one large central compartment. I've done an in-depth review also of the Pro Tour Elite. So all the features are the same. You've got the goggles or valuables compartment at the top, two sort of wet kit areas so you can put your shoes or your kit, side accessory pocket. Now you see the size of the width of this. So at this stage, this bag has all the features of the Elite. But the difference with the Elite X is that at the bottom, you basically undo the zip all the way around the bottom. And then that turns it into a very large holdall. So you can see there how much extra space that gives you, and it makes the bag that little bit bigger than the Pro Tour Elite. So yeah, this is really for any sort of serious players that carry a lot of equipment. This is a new bag from Karakal, and it's the Pro Tour Elite X, and it's available at pdhsports.com.